Hi everyone! Today we're going to look at how to automatically transform voice into subtitles directly inside Kdenlive, saving you hours of manual work. There are two main ways to do this, and we'll explore both. We'll start with Vosk. This is the ideal choice if you're looking for maximum simplicity. Why choose it? First of all, it's incredibly easy to set up. You almost never need to touch the terminal or write complex command lines. It's remarkably lightweight, won't slow down your computer, and the language models take up very little space. If you have an older PC or if you're in a hurry to get a draft of your subtitles, Vosk is your best friend. Let's see how to activate it in the settings in just a moment. Right after that, we'll move on to the heavyweight of artificial intelligence, OpenAI Whisper. This is where we step up the quality. Whisper is slightly more complex to install, requiring a few steps in the bash terminal and heavier models, but the results are amazing. Its accuracy is nearly perfect. It handles punctuation intelligently, and it can even translate while transcribing. If you're looking for a professional result ready for publication, Whisper is the standard to follow. I'll show you step by step how to configure it without any errors. Whether you choose the lightness of Vosk or the power of Whisper, by the end of this video, you'll be able to subtitle your projects with just one click. Let's get started.